Welcome to our guide on choosing the best grass for New Jersey. Getting a lush, healthy lawn starts with understanding your climate and soil. New Jersey's weather patterns are a big factor. Think hot, humid summers and cold, snowy winters. We'll also explore how different soil types affect grass growth and what that means for your lawn. And of course, we'll discuss what kind of look you want for your yard, from low maintenance to high impact. By the end, you'll be ready to choose the perfect grass variety for a beautiful and thriving lawn. New Jersey's climate plays a huge role in choosing the right grass. We have a humid continental climate, meaning hot, humid summers and cold, snowy winters. This means your grass needs to be tough enough to handle the heat and humidity, but also resilient to cold temperatures and frost. We'll discuss how these conditions affect grass growth and which varieties thrive in New Jersey's challenging climate. We'll also explore factors like how much sunlight your lawn receives and how well it drains, which are both influenced by our regional weather patterns. New Jersey's soil is just as diverse as its climate. You might have sandy soil that drains quickly, loamy soil that holds moisture well, or clay soil that can be dense and compact. Knowing your soil type is crucial for selecting the right grass. Some grasses prefer well-drained, sandy soil, while others thrive in moisture-retentive loam. We'll show you simple ways to test your soil and provide tips on how to prepare it for successful grass growth, including amending the soil with compost or other materials to improve drainage or fertility. Proper soil preparation sets the stage for a healthy, thriving lawn. Now let's get into the fun part, choosing the right grass variety for New Jersey. We'll explore popular options like Kentucky bluegrass, fescue, and zoysia, each with its own unique advantages and disadvantages. Kentucky bluegrass is known for its lush, green appearance and ability to handle foot traffic. Fescue offers excellent drought tolerance and can thrive in shady areas. Zoysia, a warm-season grass, is known for its low maintenance needs and durability. We'll break down the pros and cons of each type, considering factors like sunlight requirements, water needs, and even their resistance to pests and diseases. This will help you choose the perfect grass for your specific lawn and lifestyle. Getting a beautiful lawn isn't just about choosing the right grass, it's about proper maintenance and care. We'll cover essential practices like mowing at the right height and frequency, watering effectively to avoid over or underwatering, and fertilizing with the right nutrients at the right time. We'll also discuss common lawn diseases and pests in New Jersey and how to prevent or treat them. By understanding these crucial care practices, you can ensure your lawn remains healthy, resilient, and beautiful year after year.